Anyone up for a thunderstorm? Hey guys, it's that one girl. I'm in the midst of a thunderstorm, but I need to go take care of the horse. My cat's scared. Oh, I love it, but it scares me at the same time. But I'm gonna go feed our grandpa and then go take care of the horse. Hopefully she's not too scared. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. My sister wanna go swimming with me. How rude. I don't even know if you can hear me. Look, we fed you.
She's hungry for grain.
Hey, it's okay. Okay, guys, so my friend just released her first original song, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of it.
So hard to get to you through all these tears.
Okay, go to SoundCloud and listen to it. It's Katie Carney. She's amazing. I love her to death, and I know that she would be so grateful for you guys. If you don't like her, we can't be friends. Okay, bye.